welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and today's video is going to be a little summer, again, with the summer series, summer makeup using all drugstore products. You heard that right. I'm going to be using the new Lemonade Craze by Maybelline. This is amazing. Like, look at these nice colors, and a few other drugstore eyeshadows. I don't know why I just had like a brain fart there. To create this nice like cool tone eye look. Everything here I swear is drugstore except for my brows. If you want to see how I created this look with all drugstore products, then just keep on watching. Don't mind my hair, and if you can hear the rain, it's a monsoon out here in Arizona. It's like pouring. Sorry if you can hear that. And that's why my hair is all messy. It would not style, okay? Not a lie, it won't style, and it's so poofy. So we're going with the messy bun look. I want to do a summer makeup tutorial using only drugstore. I feel like people have that impression that just because it's drugstore makeup, you still can't create like a nice, flawless, airbrush, beautiful, like smoky eye kind of look situation, you know? So I wanted to show that you can use all drugstore products to create a perfect glam, a perfect summer glam, perfect fall glam, any perfect glam to go out and wear around town. For primer, I am going to be using my L'Oreal Lumi Magic, also mixing in my Wet n Wild Photo Focus. So I'm going to use the Photo Focus first because this kind of fills in your pores a little bit. Whoa, that's a lot. Don't need that much. And I'm going to focus this kind of just like in the T-zone area, kind of where I get super oily. My face right here is going a little nuts. Don't mind that. I'm just going to fill in my pores in this little spot. Go in with the L'Oreal one because this one's more of like a glowy primer, and apply that everywhere else. For the eyes, I kind of want to do more of like a cool tone look mixed in with a little bit of warm tone. I feel like I do a lot of warm tone looks on my channel, so I'm switching it up. So I have a few things I'm going to be using, stuff from NYX, stuff from Maybelline. I want to use a transition shade, this corally color right here, for the transition shade, but I also wanted this for the summertime because you know I love these types of colors.
Oh, we're up close and personal.
Don't mind my eyebrows, I'm trying to grow them out more. Just ignore it. So I'm going to go in with Sherbet here and just set my eye. So if you see all these little hairs, don't mind that. So now I'm going to go into Coral Punch right here and use it as a transition shade. I'm going to go into this Z palette, and these purpley shades I'm going to be using, and those are from, I believe, Morphe. Yes, Morphe. They're kind of old. I don't really know the shades all that well. So, I'm sorry. Anyways, I'm going to take a Art 39 brush, and I'm going to dip in to this shade right here, and it looks like it has some like yellow in it, but I'm not sure, but I guess we'll see on the eyes. And I'm kind of gonna put that like in the crease. I need to like coat my brush too with this. For some reason it's not, I don't know if it's showing up. It's like kind of showing up. It's kind of like holographic, and it's like a nice purpley shade. I'm actually gonna dip into this middle shade, this little purple shade right here, and kind of buff that into the crease. These are not very pigmented. These are really old. I'd say they're like a year old, so maybe that's why. Actually, it's picking up. I'm going to go in with this, with the NYX Vivid Brights. What are these? I don't know, like cream eyeshadow base, and this is in Sugar Rush, and it's this nice like lilac purple shade. To basically the whole lid. With Berry Ice here, with that same brush, and go over it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is kind of use some little pots, some like more cream products. I'm going to use this NYX Jumbo Pencil in Strawberry Milk and go over that purple shade just kind of in the center, just to give it a little bit of shine. This e.l.f. smudge pot, this is kind of old. This is in Ain't That Sweet, and I'm going to apply this kind of over it. It doesn't have to be like super neat. I'm just going to apply with my brush and use my finger to blend it out. Back in with my Lemonade Craze palette. And using a flat brush, I'm going to go into, what do I want to go in with? I'm going to go in with Strawberry Lemonade here. And kind of just put that in the center. What I'm gonna do for the eyes, I'm actually going to, I don't know if I want to do anything else. I kind of want to just leave it like this. It's kind of just like simple, but like kind of glam. I'm going to apply some false lashes. These are Adele Wispies, and I'll be right back. For foundation, I'm going to be trying the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Wear. I haven't tried this yet, and I'm in the shade 120A Warm Nude. Hopefully it's good. I like that it has a pump. I'm just gonna pump it on to my beauty sponge and just buff it in. And did you see how well it covered that spot up there? Yes. I really like that foundation. I don't know, it just blended out seamlessly, and they have a wide variety of shades, which is really nice. And it covered up really good, and I don't know, I just like the way it feels on my face. It's really lightweight, and it's kind of matte, so that's different for me. For concealer, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and just conceal. I love this concealer. It covers up so good and makes everything look so airbrush. It's amazing. And it's literally, I think, $2. Literally, probably like $2.99. For setting powder, I'm going to be using this LA Girl Pro Powder and Banana Yellow shade. And this is new to me. I just picked it up today, literally. And I'm only gonna bake literally for a little bit, not too much. I'm kind of just putting in the areas I want to highlight, and I'm also gonna put it right here. Just to chisel out those cheekbones. And you guys know I hardly ever bake my face, like ever. I'm just gonna do it because it's summertime and I sweat. For bronzer, you guys know my Catrice Sun Bronzer, and I'm kind of gonna use this as bronzer and a contour a little bit. So I'm gonna contour first with it. I'm actually gonna use something else to bronze up the skin, and you guys should just guess it already. My butter bronzer. Right, I'm just gonna bronze up the skin a bit. Okay, I see you. Look at this brightness here. Girl. This is a good one. For blush, you already know Milani Luminoso. And highlight, I'm going to go in with my Essence Pure Nude, and I'm actually going to spray the pan. Dip my brush into it. Ooh, she's blinded. Okay, we want to blind those haters with our glow and our sweat. You know I haven't done my brows yet, and I'm looking scary. And dipping into Berry Ice and Coral Punch. And applying that. And that's it. Oh, I always poke this eye out every time. And to throw in a little bit of color, I'm going to go in with this red shade. Just throw in a little bit of warm color and just on the outer parts of the eye. Okay, so I went in with this NYX lip pencil in Crushed, and then I went in with the Maybelline Color Sensational Compulsion lipstick in Pink Fetish, and it's kind of glossy, as you can tell, and I think it's super cute. So that completes this little summer makeup tutorial with like a nice cool tone eye look and a pop of color on the lips using all Drugstore products except for my brows. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.